If your gun ever makes a weak pop instead of a bang, stop firing immediately because the next moment could put your life at risk. Most people don't recognize it in the moment. You're at the range, everything feels normal, and then it happens. A quiet sound, no recoil, the slide still cycles, the gun still looks completely fine. That's exactly why it's so dangerous. That sound can mean the bullet never left the barrel. It's lodged inside, and if you pull the trigger again, the next round slams directly into that blockage. The pressure builds with nowhere to go, and the result can destroy the firearm and seriously injure anyone nearby. That's called a squib load, and it doesn't announce itself loudly. It almost tricks you into thinking nothing happened. The only correct move is to stop, keep the gun pointed in a safe direction, and get it properly inspected before doing anything else.